Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I welcome everyone back to my today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, what I'll be guiding us is how to open a paper account, link Payoneer account to paper account, problem linking paper to Payoneer bank, and sending money from paper to Payoneer account or pay account. Those are the things that I'll be guiding us on how to open today. So these are not every one of us know how to create Gmail account. I just create this Gmail account for the purpose of this tutorial. Now we all know that Nigeria has a paper account. Sure, we all know Nigeria has a paper account.ng, but we all know it's very difficult for you to open Nigeria paper account. It's not because of anything, because Nigeria account is just meant for receiving money that you can use to check out anytime, but you can't send money from Nigeria account to people in other country. No, Nigeria account is not meant for sending money. It just meant for sending money and use the money to check out. That's all. Or withdraw it. I'm not even sure if you can withdraw to the local bank. So now that's what we're leading us to be using South Africa account. South Africa paper account. You can send money from South Africa account. You can receive, you can withdraw to your local bank. You can even send to people outside the country. So their logo is in the Nigeria one is NG, while South Africa one is ZA. You can open Lesotho, you can open Iceland, you can open Kenya, you can open Mozambique. So those are the accounts that you can send money out of. You can send money from them, you can even withdraw to the local bank. So we are going to be using Nigeria, Ghana, North Africa accounts today. So click on sign up. Once you follow the paper.com/SFD, you can decide to open a personal account. You can decide to open a business account. I have a video for opening for opening the account before. I just want to make this just for the purpose of this tutorial. Once you click on sign up, you put your email address. Select the password you'd like to be using for this tutorial. Then click on next. Select your business name. You can decide to use the name of your paper. Select the second name, that should be Moose. Yeah, your business details. You can select Moose. So you add your phone number. I told us about how to get phone number the other time. pvsp.com. I have a tutorial. I have a video guide on how to get how to pvsp.com. I have a video tutorial on how to get number from this site. I will send a direct link to that. I'll send a direct link to that. pvsp.com. So pvsp.com. I will link video direct. I will link a video that will guide us on how to get South African number from this account. Then you use it to verify your account this particular site. So I'm not going to that site today because there is a video for that already. I will link it in my video description. So get a number from the site. So this is just meant for tutorial. I just want to off it. Then you go to Google and you search for South Africa. Address. Just random address. Just make sure you know the address of it, because the problem with paper these days is that they might ask for you to provide the address later on. So it's very risky. Just please know it of it. Know your address of it, or you can write it down somewhere. Address to write it down somewhere, because in case they ask, paper might be funny at times. So city. So this is state. This is city. Okay. City. That is state. Okay. What is our code? 2776. 2776. So after you put it, click on again on terms and condition, and click on again on terms and condition. Once you click on that, allow it to load which of the business type. Click on individual. So your keyword, you can move computer. Just find out what are you using this account for. Website is optional. Click on continue, date of birth, you put your date of birth, you put your month, you put your month, you put the day. So okay, South Africa, select means of identity, national ID card, and put name here. Name. Then click here the same as what I'm doing, then click on submit. Once you can submit, the message we're going to send to your Gmail account to confirm your account. So we need additional information about your business. Just click here to complete. Confirm your email address. Once you input your password again, once you input your password, your account overview. Wow, your account is done. Your account is done. Your account is what? Is done. So I think I've run the first step is how to create paper account. The next thing is how to link Payoneer to paper accounts in case you want to be using the account to withdraw money directly to your Payoneer account or Glee account. So there are two methods I'm going to give you. You can withdraw to Payoneer or to your Glee account. Payoneer and Glee account, they are the same. Just that the only thing that is different between them is that when you are using Payoneer account, you can withdraw money to. So if the name of a paper and Payoneer account does not tally, you can withdraw money directly to the Payoneer account. It doesn't mean, but Glee account, you will make sure that the name you are using to withdraw money from Payoneer from paper account is equivalent to the same thing with the name you used to open your Glee account. That's the difference. But they both give us the same bank, which is Community Federal Bank. So you want to link this personal, this business account. Is make sure if you want to be withdrawn, use business account because they know you are using it for business. So if it is personal account, you want to be, so you don't want to be withdrawn, you can use personal account to withdraw money also, but just that it's advisable to use business account. My own point of view, my experience, I advise you to open as a business account because they know already you are using the money for business purposes. So while the personal account is, you want to spend, make payment, send money outside, but still you can still use it to withdraw also. If you are using business account to withdraw, just click on get pay or get pay. Click on add bank or card. Then you scroll down, just add a new bank. Add a new bank. Then you come straight to your Payoneer account. Then you log in, come to receiving, click on global payment services. Global payment services, then you come here. If you are new to this place, maybe you haven't requested for a Payoneer account before, I will link a video guide that will show you how to request for a Payoneer bank account. So it's very easy. Okay, it has logged me out. Let me log in again. The Payoneer have logged me out already. So look at the money I've withdrawn from my paper. This will even be a limited paper account. I withdraw this money from my limited paper account the last time. You see paper payment, and I withdraw to my domiciliary account directly to my dollar account in Nigeria. So all you need to do is to just come here, the saving account. Maybe your account, your Payoneer account, you haven't requested for your Community Federal Bank before. Normally, they normally give us a virtual US account. They always give us virtual US account. Then there is it. You click on that, the account, because the other account they normally give us, you can't add it to Payoneer paper account. Just click on it. Once you click on, come to home, click on what I click now. So then you are going to be showing this US account. Click on US account. Then the account you are going to be seeing is, I think, it's First Century. It should be First Century. Then, but you need a Community Federal account to withdraw from a paper account. So then you click on Solution Guide. Come down here and click on How to Solution using this receiving account. Click on Solution Guide. Once you click on Solution Guide, then the main reason why My account show this is that it's just because I've already requested for it before. That's why it shows like this. If you haven't requested for this community folder before, it's going to ask you to get started. Once you click on get started, it's going to request for some information about this account from you. Once you are able to provide the information you requested for, automatically it's going to release give you after the 2 hours they are going to give you the community federal bank. As at this one I have already requested for it before. Now you can request it for community federal at 5 times. 5 times, okay, even it's even there. So just click on this arrow, then click on next. Then it will ask you to close the former account, which is community federal, which is a first century account. Click close and replace this, then click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to request for some information about your Payoneer account. Once you are able to provide the information it's requested for, all you need to do next is to just wait for 24 hours, then the account number will be given to you. Then those are the account number are going to be used to withdraw from. It will go to be like this, then you copy the account number, copy the routine number, come straight down to your PayPal account, input it, then agree on link. Then once money enter your account, you can withdraw money directly to your Payoneer account. Then you can send the fund to your maybe to your local bank, or you have someone you always send your fund to. The same thing applies to Grey account also. So I will link a video on how to open a Grey account, then link it to this video description. Grey account also you come down to where this account number, routine number, just like Payoneer. You see community folder also, copy all this and then link it to your PayPal account, then you tell directly to your local bank. So this one, there are some things, there are some issues some people face when they are trying to add money from their Payoneer account, which is maybe at times that's what I said earlier. Maybe they are trying to add for first century bank. But people doesn't accept first century bank, they only accept community federal. Then once successful requests for community federal and they give you the account number automatically, there is no problem you are going to face in doing that. And you know you don't want to maybe you don't want to be withdrawn to your local bank. There is a way you can send your money out. You can send your money out. Once you have money here, once you have money available here, you click on this icon, click on send or receive money. Send or receive money. Then you put the person email here. You put the person email, then you send money directly to the person. The same thing applies. You have a limited account. I have a video for limited account also. I have a video for limited account. I think I will upload that next. You have to open from limited people account. Then you can go there. It's still the same issue, but just that you have to wait for 180 days before you can withdraw your money from the limited account. So this tutorial now, I think I teach us on how to open people account, how to link your people account to your Payoneer account, and how to link your people account to your Grey account. So please, I prefer short video just for us not to waste our time. So if you know there is something that is not clear on this tutorial, please, my channel is there, my Telegram channel is there. You can directly log into my Telegram channel and message me, or you can comment on this video. Then I'm going to get back to you, reply you, and then send you a message. Then we can talk about it. If you have a video for me to upload, let me know. So please, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you.